The ACO UniFace range of covers are available in aluminium, galvanized and stainless steel, designed to blend perfectly with a wide selection of hard or flexible floor infills up to 15mm. To begin, first check that the shaft size is not larger than the clear opening dimension, A times B, of the access cover. The clear opening size of the access cover frame may be up to 20mm larger than the shaft size. A minimum rebate, 150mm wider than the overframe size and 40mm deeper than the overframe height E of the access cover, is to be provided for bedding and haunch material. All single access covers are delivered with installation and maintenance guides, a set of lifting, locking keys, spacers and reinforcement mesh. Ensure upper surfaces of the cover and frame, joints and locking areas are protected from accidental spillages or the ingress of installation materials. This will help reduce the need for cleaning at the end of the installation. Lay a continuous mortar bed to a minimum of 40mm in thickness all around the shaft opening, covering the full width of the frame. Bed and level the access cover and frame centrally over the shaft opening. When tapping down to level, use a piece of wood to protect metal surfaces. Ensure the frame is fully supported by the mortar bed with no voids. Allow mortar to sufficiently harden. Insert spacers between the frame and cover to maintain an even gap. For recessed covers, ensure the reinforcement provided is fitted and correctly positioned. Haunch the frame fully with concrete, minimum 150mm wide, and fully fill the cover to within 15mm of its upper surface. Use a notched batten to help level the concrete. Vibrate concrete where necessary to ensure no voids. Allow the concrete to sufficiently harden and dry out, and remove any spacers or tape protection. The cover can now be opened with the lifting and locking keys provided. Point any gaps in the bedding under the frame if required. Close or refit the cover. The final floor or pavement finish can now be installed. Once the final floor or pavement has been fully installed, remove any excess adhesive or grout from around the cover and frame. Open the cover with the lifting keys provided. Clean all surfaces and ensure the seating areas of the cover and rubber seals are free from debris. Lubricate all seals with a suitable silicone grease. Close or refit the cover and check that there's an even gap between the cover and frame. Insert and tighten all locking screws. Once all installation materials have fully cured, the access cover is now ready for use. Retain all spare parts and keys for future use. Try our new selector to find your ACO UniFace cover for a perfect floor finish at www.aco.co.uk/buy-access-covers.